Hi, I'm Paula Manley, and I'm the chair of the Teacher Education Department here at Nelson University. I teach classes in all of our education programs and really enjoy working with our education students. I think one of the things that makes our education department different from other education programs around the state is that we teach things from a biblical perspective, and we believe that our students are going to be able to make a difference in the lives of their students every day whenever they teach from that perspective. One of the things we focus on in our department is for our teachers to be first day ready. That means that the minute they step into a classroom of their own, they feel confident and prepared to be able to be a really great teacher. There's so many things I'm proud about regarding my students, but I think one of the things that is really differentiating for our students is their commitment to the profession. We are very excited about some new developments in our department. In the fall of 26, we'll have new special education courses added to our graduate programs, and we are in development of other degrees that we'll see in fall of 27. If you're interested in a career in teaching, visit us at nelson.edu. We would love to hear from you.